This is the letter Q.
Q.
This is the lowercase q.
Lowercase.
Uppercase Q.
Uppercase Q.
Q says the sound qu. 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 Quilt.
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 Qu. So look, let's turn this around.
Ooh.
So Q is for question mark,
Question mark.
queen,
Queen.
queen bee,
Queen bee.
quarter.
Quarter. Like the money, like the sir.
Today we're going to keep learning about the letter Q.
Okay.
Uppercase Q and lowercase q. This one's the lowercase q. That's the uppercase Q. So this is the uppercase Q and the lowercase q.
That's like an uppercase.
Q is for quickly walk in place. Let's pretend. Quickly walk in place. Q is for Q-tips. Q. Q. Say Q.
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 Good job.
Q.
Q. Quilt.
Quilt.
Quail.
Whale.
Quart.
Quote.
Uppercase Q.
Uppercase Q.
Lowercase q.
Lowercase Q.
Quarter.
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 Queen.
Queen.
Question.
Question.
Quiet.
Quiet.
Queen Poppy.
Queen Poppy.
Queen. Queen Poppy.
Queen Poppy.
You're tracing the letter Q.
Yes. Q for recon.
Q. Q for queen.
Q for queen.
That's the lowercase q.
That's like Pete.
Yeah, look, this is a lowercase q. Uppercase q.
Uppercase Q.
Quarter of a pizza.
Quarter pizza.
Quarter.
Quarter.
Queen.
Queen. The queen. That's like Pete's queen.
Say quilt.
Quilt. Let's stick with the quilt.
Quill.
Quill. Kind of fruit is quills? Something? The fruit is a quill? What's this called?
This is a quail.
This is not a quill.
Quill.
Quill. Quill.
Quill. Quail.
What's that?
A queen. That's a queen.
Remember Grandma got it for my birthday?
Yes. Queen. Where does the queen go? Queen. Say queen.
Queen. What's in it? Little Q. I want to build a letter Q.
You want to build the letter Q puzzle?
And
Question.
question.
Quiet.
Quiet.
Quack.
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 Quarters.
Colors.
Oh.
Little B.
Uppercase Q. Oh,
I did it.
you did it? That's the puzzle. That's a queen.
Queen.
Yeah, that's a queen.
Queen. That's a problem? No.
Lowercase q. So you have the uppercase Q
Let me put it up there.
and the lowercase q.
Let me put it up there.
Do you want to put it over there?
Yes.
Turn it around, upside down. So that's lowercase q. Where does the uppercase q go? It goes right there. Good job. Let's see. What else do we have in here?
That's a problem, not a problem. A quarter.
Ooh, let's put the quarter over there. Good job. You did it.
About more.
There's no more. You found all of them.